By default, dev containers run as the root user. But if you add a container definition from the add container definition to project and select one of the provided containers, like say Python here, you'll likely see that there is a remote user property in the dev container.json file. If you see this property, the VS Code server and processes in the container run under this user. If you want the entire container and all of its processes to run under this user, you can specify the same username in the container user property. Now, if you want to create your own non-root user for this container, you'll need to modify the Docker file. If your container already has a non-root user, like the VS Code user here, you'll need to make sure that you increment the ID of the user here to, say, 1001, since the VS Code user provided by this container already has the ID of 1000. Check below this video for the complete Docker configuration text and more information.